Welcome to the FezyFlow demo video showcasing a complete workflow process. This video will include the following content. First, introduction to the application and the workflow that will be demonstrated. Second, creating request and performing approve, confirm or reject for each tag in the workflow. The last is conclusion. FezyFlow is a solution for managing and digitizing all workflows in the business on a single platform. FezyFlow helps business overcome expansion and growth challenges through comprehensive workflows, optimal solution, and cost effectiveness. With FezyFlow, traditional paper workflow will be digitized and performed on a centralized management system, and tasks such as creating requests or performing approval, confirm, execution can be easily and quickly done on the system. Next, we'll introduce and demonstrate the purchase request process. Typically, a purchase process in the business will be presented as follows: include form, process flowchart, and instruction for each step. You need to fill out information on the paper form, then send the request to management position or specialized department for confirmation. On the FezyFlow system, a preview purchase process is available based on the paper-based process. When there's a need for purchase, you can access the system and select the process in the following ways. Open the home page, click the financial group and select purchase request, or enter purchasing request in the search box. Purchase request is a FezyFlow form used for demo. Customer can completely customize the form according to their own need. After selecting the right process, you will be taken to the request creation screen. You need to fill all the required information in the request before click the create button to submit the request. Include basic information is request name, workplace, department, reason for purchase, budget code, attachment files, and notify to, and information on the purchase product list. Each line in the table corresponds to a product to be purchased, including information such as product list, quantity, unit price, total amount, and note. After successfully creating a request, you can review the request on the system by two ways. On the main screen, the system shows the total number of requests and the list of requests you have created. When you click on My Request tab, the system will display a complete list of requests according to different status, like processing, processed, cancel, or all. You can select the purchase request you just created to view the detail. The detailed purchase request screen is displayed with full information about request information, approval workflow, and current approval status, like complete step, message, attachment for each step, current approval step, and pending approval step. At this screen, you can perform various operations with the request, such as cancel the request, print, comment, or set favorite to quickly track the request. View the update approval history of the request. For purchase request, the main approval workflow consists of 5 steps. Department head confirm, administration confirm, department head reconfirm with cost is more than 20 million. Asset department execute the purchase and asset allocation. Here, the workflow can be divided based on the purchase cost values. If the cost values is more than 20 million, the system will require an additional approval step from department head. If the cost value is lower than 20 million, no approval from the department head is required. The purchase process workflow is a sample process used for demo. With FezyFlow, business can fully customize the workflow to their own requirement. To talk about approval feature, I would like to switch to the interface of account in the approval role. Here is the account holding the role of department head. For each step, approval will receive information about the request to be approved via notification or email. On the home screen, the system will notify you of the number of requests you need to approve. Performance approval, you click on the request that is waiting for your approval. The detail and approval flow will be displayed, and after reviewing, you can choose one of 3 approval actions. If you agree with the request, click the Approve button, enter comment if any, and then click the Approve button to complete the process. If you disagree with the request, Click the reject button, enter the reason for rejection, and then click the reject button to complete the process. If you do not have enough information to make approve or rejection decision, you can request additional information from the proposer using request update button, or simply leave a comment at the end of the request. With each action of approval, the system will update the workflow status and notify the requester accordingly. After the purchase request is completed, the request status is updated to done, and the system notifies the requester through a notification or email. The system will also display a pop-up for the requester to rate the process by rating it from 1 to 5 stars to indicate their level of satisfaction. So, you have just watched a demo of purchase process. Through this demo, we can see that the process of creating screen is quick and easy. The user can track the approval progress and execute asset allocation or purchasing. The request after created will be processed according to the configured flow with full request information. Relevant parties have full information about the request and can approve it quickly. The purchasing process is transparent, avoiding loss of invoice and related documents, and facilitating lookup, auditing, and cost statistics. Thank you for watching our demo video.